Once upon a time, PC building was simple. You had one goal, make it turn on. Cases were paid, fans sounded like jet engines, and your graphics card? It probably had one fan if you were lucky. Installing Windows XP took 3 CDs and one prayer. If you did not grind yourself first, boom, you just electrocuted your motherboard. Fast forward to now, people spend more time custom looping water cooling than actually playing games. You've got RGB fans, RGB RAMs, RGB SSDs. I swear some people's toothbrushes sync with Razer Chroma. Your case isn't Page anymore, it is tempered glass, so everyone can admire your GPU that costs more than rent. And here's the thing. Back then, we built PCs because we had to. Now we build PCs because it's an art form. Airflow diagrams, fan curves, cable combs, you've basically become a mechanical engineer just to play Minecraft. And when it's finally done, you sit there basking in the RGB glow like it is the Northern Lights. You can play a game, but you would rather just open Task Manager and stare at the sweet 1% CPU usage. One take, no edits, just vibes, and an RGB video.